Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about cumulative distribution function. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find about this one. So now we know that we just put about the integration from number 2 to positive infinity because we want to find about probability from number 2 when they go to positive infinity in here. The function we need to concentrate that is about this one. Next, I will put about the limit and 8 approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from number 2 to 8. So the integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 e to the power of negative 2s. And I will put the bounds from number 2 to 8. Now, I will put a and number 2 cone here. So this one we have e 1 over e to the power of number 4. So we can combine 1 over 2 e to the power of number 4. So negative and negative we simplify and we have positive in here. So negative and negative we have positive. So we know that this one will be e to the power of 2a on the denominator. When a approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. However, a still go to positive infinity. So in this situation, we have positive infinity. So that means this one should be divergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.